Hi everyone, welcome back to BeautyBloom. I'm Nancy.
This is Kim.
And today we're doing Macy's and Allure.
Allure.
You know that we both say it differently? I say Allure, I don't know why. And you say
Allure.
I feel like I always say like
Allure.
I say Allure, like, or Allure.
I don't know, maybe I'm saying it wrong.
Tell us, how do you pronounce Allure?
How are they gonna tell us? We're a bunch of weirdos.
We never know.
We're so bad at pronunciations. I swear, dude. We're so bad.
Okay. So Macy's is $10, right? No,
15.
I'm losing my head.
She says the same thing every time.
Macy's is $15 a month. You get about 5 to 6 products, depending. They're like okay sizes. You get cute bags though. Cute bags.
And their sizes might be a little small, but they're all name brand stuff.
Yeah. And you also get a $5 coupon that Kim usually takes from me.
Sorry, I love it because Macy has like beauty sales going on. And she doesn't keep them, so why not give them to me? I'll use them. So Allure is also the same thing, $15 a month, and you get about 5 to 6 items a month. 5 to 6 items for a box. Let me read what's on my box. Got my mind on my Manny and my Manny on my mind. This is not the first time I read this.
Really?
Don't tell me we're doing this again.
I think you've probably read it somewhere else because I have seen like things like that before.
I better have the right box this time. Okay, so... Oh, you heard of this before.
I got a pillow spray from them before.
Yeah. So how do you like it?
I like it.
Does it work? It said it works.
I don't know if it works, but I just like to spray it. Hoping that it works.
Oh. So this is a mask, moisturizer, and primer. That's weird.
Oh.
Basically, it's like they wanted to put like a 3-in-1 moisturizer together. Like you don't want to go step by step with primer or mask, moisturizer. You just do it all in one, and now you don't have to put a primer on top because you're done. Price is $55, and the full size is 40 ml, 1.35 ounces.
It smells like kind of lemony.
Are you sure it's not me?
I don't smell that. Yeah, this one smells like kind of lemony.
What does that smell remind me of?
Lemongrass.
No. Not lemongrass.
It just smells like something.
It smells like something familiar.
I think it smells like the Purity face wash. The Philosophy Purity face wash. Oh.
Nancy's turn.
My turn.
What's your theme this month?
Let's see if I have something.
You sounded so Asian.
I don't know. Kiss and tell. I think that's the theme.
Yeah, I think so.
Kiss and tell. Because the freaking
the bag is so cute. They should have waited for February. I think that would have matched February's theme.
That's true. Cute bag.
Let me see.
Ooh. Yay. So this is the
Ahava. I know that one.
This is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream.
I've seen it before.
My hands are hella dry in the winter too, so I really need this. Oh, is it normal for it to be like not sealed?
I think it depends on.
Oh, I just because I don't think.
They say it smells good.
It does.
They say the brand does.
Like the whole.
It smells like makeup. Like, no, it smells like beauty skincare that you put on your face. But it's hand cream.
It smells good.
No, I want some.
So it's just a hand cream.
Sea-kissed.
Sea-kissed, a hydrating kiss for your skin. This hand cream is blended with Dead Sea minerals and infused with a tranquil scent of cool water freshness with hints of salty sea air. And its retail, the full size is $24.
Does it say what full size is? But this is a really good size, Macy's.
That's a good size.
1.3 ounces.
Like a sample, yeah.
Heck yeah! That's one of the biggest sample sizes you've gotten in a while. Because you get these puny little samples from all your other boxes.
This is like flashback.
Remember? I thought that I was gonna get the color. Got one last month. I know I did.
It was. If I'm not. I think it was.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
Wait, no, I think it was the wrong box they sent me. Don't tell me it's the same one. Oh,
girl, that color is so pretty.
Yay! I like it.
Killing the food.
Yes. Oh, very like
very mauve. Does it smell?
Mm.
It looked like it would smell like. No.
It's creamy, but and it's really thick.
What is this?
I got shade 105.
Liquid matte.
Yeah, it's. I read that too. It said liquid matte, but I was so afraid that I was gonna get like that lipstick I got from last month.
That color is so pretty.
Artist liquid matte. Oh, it's in Rosewood.
Oh, that color's
The
pretty.
color's in
It's so
Rosewood.
pretty. Do you always get lipstick that matches your nail color?
Oh my goodness, it does. It matches my nails. Okay, so the price of this is $20.
I think it's a good size. Something for you
You
to
know
try.
what?
Just try.
Yeah, this is a really good size to just try. And a lot of people don't like these tiny little things, but I like it because I could never finish it anyways, and
That's
I have
true.
so many lippies anyways that I love these little things. It's so easy to just put on.
Yeah.
This is probably gonna be my favorite item in the box because it's a lippy. Love it.
This is the Philosophy Pure Grace Nude Rose Body Lotion.
Oh, it's a lotion. It's not a wash.
It smells really, really good.
What is this? Oh, 1 ounce?
1 ounce. Yeah, 1 fluid ounce. This is the size of like foundation. You always get 1 fluid ounce in foundation. I think that's pretty good.
See, and these samples are so nice to take with you on vacation.
That's true.
Because you don't want to take a whole bottle.
Yeah. So the retail price for this is $37, and the big size, the regular size, full size, is a 16 ounce, and I got a 1 ounce.
I mean, it's not a bad size.
16 ounces, freaking huge.
16 ounce? Where is it? Oh my goodness.
So imagine like 15 more of these.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
A lot of body lotion to go through.
It has a light and airy scent of blush rose complemented by sensual cedarwood and sunkissed.
It does smell like that.
Yeah.
So far, so good. We got good things in our boxes so far. You guys are doing good. Why do I only feel 2 more items in mine? Holy cannoli! Oh, I'm so happy! It's a Sunday Riley serum. Sunday Riley, I've never tried any of their stuff, but I've always wanted to try their stuff. They're so expensive.
I know.
Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, even if I do get only 4 items, I will be so happy with just this. Okay. It's a flash serum, citrus scented gel. So this one is usually $85. It's a C.E.O. Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. Thank you, Allure. See, that's why I love them. They give so many skincare items. Like I said,
really nice,
they're more skincare. Yes, high-end stuff.
I have 3 more products in the
3 more products and a perfume? That's 4! My goodness, I think I only have 1
I'm
item.
gonna do the small one right here.
Ooh!
Oh,
Goodness, red.
I know, right? I really like these Smashbox.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, you've been getting so many Smashbox
I really
liners.
like these.
They gave you 2?
Wait.
Lipstick? They gave you 2 lip products.
I guess.
It's so weird.
It's
in Bawse.
Oh, okay. I'm like, how do you pronounce that? Bawse.
Bawse.
So this is in the color Bawse, but it's spelled B-A-W-S-E.
So funny.
This is a comfortable matte liquid lipstick. It's supposed to last 8 hours. It has jojoba,
I was gonna say jojoba.
I can't even say apricot.
you're so bad.
Jojoba, apricot, and sunflower oil for smooth color that won't budge. And the retail price for these are $24. I have a color from them before that I really liked.
And it was red too, wasn't it?
It was like an orange color.
Oh yeah.
I really like the applicator of these. And I think this one is like a, oh yeah, this one is like a straight up red.
Whoa!
It's red.
It's really red. Right? Isn't our boxes so exciting this month?
It is a lot better than last month. Well, for me anyway.
Since we have to go have 4 items for real. Yeah, I only have 1 more item. You want to keep going? You just go. Keep going. I only have 1 item left.
I think this is the other lip color. Wow, the packaging is so nice.
So cute.
So cute. So this is a lipstick from Clinique. This is their Pop Lip Color Plus Primer in Nude Pop.
Ooh, it sounds pretty.
So pretty.
My kind of color.
It's so pretty. Oh, it looks sheer though.
It's like a pinkish nude. Smell good?
It smells like old lady lipstick.
Old lady
Or is
lipstick?
it just me? No, maybe it's just me.
No, it does.
Right? Kind of
Yeah.
like that old
Yeah.
lady. You know what I mean?
It smells like the old days makeup.
Yeah. Again, this is an
And that's full size, isn't it? Yeah.
So this is in the color Nude Pop, and it keeps your lips looking kissably soft. And the formula is weightless, glides on effortlessly to reveal a modern velvet finish, and leaves lips feeling comfortably moisturized. It does feel very moisturizing though.
It does.
It looks moisturizing.
Looks shiny too.
Yeah. So that's nice. I've been looking for like a nice nude color.
Okay, this is my last item. I don't know if this is correct. The one. One and then some. Oh, a dry texturizing spray. Ah. Oh.
Better for us?
I'm missing an item. Okay, let me talk about this first. It's a texturizing spray, and it comes in 5.5 ounces, and this one is 0.4 ounce. Regular price is $29. I don't like the ones that makes my hair really like dry and sticky. Like, I think texturizing spray and sea salt wave sprays are like the same thing. I hate that sticky feeling. I like it when it's texturizing and soft.
Yeah.
I like that. Another eyeliner.
You keep talking shit about eyeliners.
I was talking so much shit about all these eyeliners, and so they decided not to give me one in my box. Maybe I'm not seeing it. I don't have it. It's not in there. I was supposed to get a Rodial Smokey Eye Pen. It looks like a full size too.
Yeah.
It would have been.
It would be nice.
Yeah, I guess. So it's $21 for the full size.
Okay. Ooh. So this is the Origins Cheek and Balances Frothy Face Wash. Origins is such a nice skincare line, isn't it?
I've heard good things about them, but then I've never gotten anything from them.
So this is a face wash that balances skin and discourages excess oil production while protecting dry prone zones. Skin feels comfortably clean and never tight, pulled, or parched. Yay! So that's nice, because I hate the ones where it makes your skin feel really dry
Afterwards.
Yeah, like very, very squeaky clean.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if this is the travel size or not. This is 1 fluid ounce, and on here it says the travel size is $12. The full size item is 8.5 ounce for $29, or there's a 5 ounce for $23. So I'm assuming this is the travel size. Oh, it smells like minty. Or is it just me?
I don't know. We smell so much stuff that I can't differentiate
I think it is minty.
any of the smells.
That's nice. So my last item is a perfume, and it is by
What is going on?
it's by Michael Kors, and it's the Sexy Ruby perfume. Ruby. A jewel of a fragrance where fantasy meets Oh my god, I mean.
Let me try. A jewel of a fragrance where fantasy meets femininity. Totally did not say that right. And a woman is her sexiest. Dang, that's a lot.
Oh, you know what it smells? It smells like the Victoria's Secret. The very
Oh,
sexy.
it does.
Oh,
it smells
dude,
just like
I
it.
used to love that perfume so much. I even bought the second one that came out with the lighter pink bottle, right? Because the first one was like a red color like this too. Oh my god, I remember exactly because I love that perfume. A sultry new scent, flaunting notes of velvet. This word, I can't. Okay, apricot, juicy raspberry, and
Apricot.
luscious. A sultry new scent, flaunting notes of velvet apricot.
Apricot.
Oh my god!
Let's just skip that part.
Okay.
Let's just say what it is, okay? You don't have to read the whole thing.
It just smells good.
Yeah, it does smell good though.
Size, the full size is 3.1.
What's wrong with you?
The full size is 3.4 ounce, and that's retailed at $112.
Whoa! I'll just give Victoria's Secret. Box is worth $136.17. Is crazy because this is the full size and it's $85. That's crazy for Allure to put something like this in our box. I mean, you guys are doing so good, and I feel like you guys are doing it to me on purpose, like leaving stuff out of my box on purpose. But still, this box is still worth it without that eyeliner. That eyeliner is worth $21.
Oh wow.
Anyways, I like my box a lot. I will rate mine at 8. I was gonna say 8.5, but 8 because y'all messed up.
Yeah.
And then I love it. Everything else.
My box is worth $52.62, and I think it's worth it. The box, I really like it this month. I'm excited about everything. I love the hand cream, the face wash, everything. Even the lipstick, even though it's kind of like out of my comfort zone. I don't wear red a lot, but it seems like a really nice red
It's
color.
not a purple. It's a red. So
the perfume is really nice. So I think it's totally worth the $15.
heck yeah.
And I would rate it maybe like a I'd say 8.5 because I really like it. I like it a lot. Yay! I'm excited. You also got I also got a lot of high-end things too, like things that
They're all high end.
yeah.
The thing is like our boxes are only $15, and we got a lot of name brand items. Like it's just crazy how everything adds up. Mine added up to $136 for the whole box, and I paid $15 for it. That's really good.
Yeah,
Allure's been doing really good. Like every single month,
they have.
it's just they've been screwing with me on purpose. But then they've been doing really good with all their products, like what they've been getting in their boxes, what they're able to be putting into their boxes. Like
Yeah.
it's just crazy. But yeah. I love your box too. But I like my
Yours too.
Serum more.
Yeah. I would totally use everything in your box too.
Right? So this is actually pretty good. We're happy.
Yay!
So we did really good. I just hope our other boxes for this month will be just as good.
I'm trying Ricky's.
She kind of peeked. Soon with our other boxes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, please.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.